morning my dear students. Now we are going to discuss about the conditional class, that is a if class. Okay, if class, that is called conditional class. Conditional class. Okay, so before that we have to know about what is class. Class is a group of words which gives a complete meaning. It has a subject and a predicate. Okay, class is of two types. One is dependent class, another one is independent class. Dependent class are called subordinate class, independent class are known as main class. Okay, if we add if with the subordinate class, then automatically it will converted into if class. Okay, you study well, you will score good marks. Okay, so this is a main class. This is a main class. This is a subordinate class. You study well. This is a subordinate class. Okay, when we add if with the subordinate class, if plus subordinate class, then it will become if class. For example, if you study well, you will score good marks. Okay, so the first thing you have to know class. Already in the last class, the kinds of sentences I had explained you clearly what is class. So you know what is class. The if class is otherwise known as conditional class. So the classes are of two types. One is main class and the subordinate class. If we add if with the subordinate class, then it will be converted into if class. So if you study well, you will score good marks. Okay, this is how we are getting the if class. Okay, next we will already had studied in the 11th standard what is if class. Now I will explain you about the type 1, type 2, type 3 and as well as the 0 is there. 0 condition is there. First condition, second condition, third condition and the 0 conditions is there. 0 conditions means in if class it won't change. It won't take any changes in the main class. It will be remain constant. That is a 0 condition. Already you had studied in your 10th standard. So here in your book they had given us the 3 class, type 1, type 2, type 3. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, so the type 1, that is a possible condition. Okay, type 1 is a possible condition. This is a possible condition. Possible condition means something will happen. That is a possible condition. Possible condition is a type 1. Okay, let us see. This is the if class and here we will going to discuss about the main class. What are the changes will occurs in the main class. Main class. Okay, let us see. This is a if class. If class and main class. Let us see what are the changes are there in the type 1. Type 1 is a possible condition. Okay, the type 1 if you, here they had given the sentence I. If I play well, if I play well in main class, I will win the match. I will win the match. Okay, then the second one is the second type 2, that is a unlikely, hypothetical condition. That is a hypothetical condition. Hypothetical condition, that is a type 2. Type 2, here if I played well In the book they have given some other, but here I will explain you with one sentence. I would win the match. I would win the match. This is the hypothetical condition or unlike condition. Okay. Next one, that is a impossible condition. Okay. Impossible condition. That is a type 3. If I had played well, okay, if I had played well, I would have won the match. I would have won the match. Okay, this is the 3 condition of the if class. So the if you have to know what the if class is, otherwise known as conditional class. If class is before entering to knowing to the if class, we have to know about the class and the phrase. Class is a group of words which gives a complete meaning. It has a subject and the predicate. It's of the 2 type. One is main class, another one is a subordinate class. Okay, main class, if you add if with the subordinate class, then it will convert it into if class. That is a conditional class. The conditional classes of the 3 type. Another one is there, 0 degree. It's not mentioned in your book, but it is there. It does not undergo any changes. It's remain constant in the if class as well as in the main class. We will discuss only type 1, type 2, type 3, which is given in your book now. Okay. So the first type is the possible condition. Another is the hypothetical condition. Third one is the impossible condition. So there is a 3 possible condition, hypothetical condition, and impossible condition. That is divided into type 1, type 2, and type 3. Okay. Next, if I play well, I will win the match. That is a possible condition. நான் நல்லா விளையாண்டேன்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம், கண்டிப்பாக மேட்சை வின் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். பாசிபிள், நடக்கக்கூடிய சாத்தியம் உள்ள. Okay. Next, hypothetical condition. Hypothetical conditions means we have imaginary condition. If I played well, நான் நல்லா விளையாண்டிருந்தேனா, okay, that is the imaginary condition. நடக்காத ஒன்று நடக்கிற மாதிரி நம்ம நடந்திருந்தா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, that is a hypothetical means imaginary. If I played well, I would win the match. நல்லா விளையாண்டிருந்தா என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கலாம், மேட்சை வின் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம். Okay. The next one, impossible condition, that is a type 3. If I had played well, okay, if I had played well, that is impossible. இன்னும் ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. நான் நல்லா விளையாண்டிருந்தேன்னா என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கலாம், I would have won the match. Okay, that is a impossible. So these are the 3. One is a possible, hypothetical condition, and the impossible condition. Okay. So I will explain you one more thing. See, if is there, it is a common which is given there. We have to see the structure of the word. Okay. I play well. I is a subject, play is a verb, V1 form, present tense, and well. Okay. Next, I played well. What is, how we have to see the verb? It is in the form of V2, verb plus ed. Okay. Next, had played, that is a V3 form. Had plus verb plus ed. Okay, this is a structure. If it is a type 1, it is in the form of present tense. Present tense verb will be there, that is in the V1 form. If it is in the type 2, play plus verb V2, that is verb plus ed. Then it is in the form of verb 3, that is had plus verb plus ed. So past participle will be there. Okay, so this is the thing, present tense, past tense, and the past participle. Then how we have to write, that we will see. What are the changes will undergo in the main class. So if it is in the form of verb, present tense, V1 form, we will add will in the positive or negative, and the verb will be in the form of V1. Will, win. You won't change. Okay, will, win. If it is in the form of type 2, play plus ed, that is the past tense, verb plus ed, then it should be in the form of would plus, the verb should be in the form of V1 again, because both the past tense we won't use next. Okay, so we are using would plus V3. If it is in the form of V3, had plus verb plus ed, then it should be in the form of would plus have plus verb in the V3 form. Verb in the V3 form. Win 1 1. Okay, this is how we have to change. Okay, my dear. So I hope you had understand what is the if class. It is a very simple topic and it is very easily you can score marks because it consists of 2 marks. Only we have to they will give the question in the 2 pattern. One thing they will ask us to, like in the form of invention, that is just begin the sentence by using the if class. They will give one time. Okay, another if while adding this, and then we have to face a problem. If then we have to see whether it is in the form of type 1 or type 2, type 3. So according to this we have to change the verb then. That is the only thing we have to see. It is very easy for you to score good marks. So you have to check whether it is the type 1 or type 2 or type 3. Okay, so the only thing we have to remember, the type 1 is a positive condition. If the verb should be always in the form of V1, then in the main class will plus verb V1. Okay, the second one, it is in the hypothetical condition, that is a type 2, that is verb plus ed, that is in the V2 form, would plus V1 form. Again we should not change the verb, whatever may be it should be V1 only. Okay, would verb. Then that is a impossible condition, that is a type 3, had plus verb plus ed, that is V3 form. Then we have to write would plus have plus V3. Okay, this is the thing you have to remember. Okay, my dear, this is the only thing you have to remember. It is a very easy to score 2 marks. Okay, I hope you had understand what is if classes. Let us see what is given in your book. So here also they had explained about the conditional classes of the 3 types, and one is a zero condition also they had included here. That is a zero condition, it's a present simple imperative will be there, if and when will be there. So in the fact of the situations where they are always true scientific fact, that they will use the zero condition. First condition we will use if or unless, present simple, will or infinitive verbs we will use. Then the second conditional, if present simple past, then the would plus infinitive verbs we will use. Then the third condition, if plus past perfect, would have past participle we will use. Okay, that's why I had explained you, which is given in the column of page number 124. Okay, next one they had given, read the following sentence and find and filling the blanks. This we will do now. Okay, see, read the following sentence and filling the blanks. If I dash a spider, I dash web. Okay, so if I dash a spider, that is the imaginary. If I wear a spider, I would weave a web. Okay, if I wear a spider, I will dictate, you write in your board. No note. Okay, if I wear a spider, I would weave a web. Next, if Raj is sculpture, in bracket they had given B, he dash beautiful idea. If Raj is B verb is there, so is. If Raj is a sculpture, he will make beautiful idea. Okay, next, if Mary had an umbrella, she dash it to me, so she lent. Okay, already it is in the form of past, so she would lend. Next, Rex could have paid with me if he has dash money. So here Rex would have paid, they had given the third time. Okay, so how we have to write? If he has time. Okay, next one, if I were you, I dash this offer, I would accept this offer. We dash storybook for kids if we allot time for the storyteller. So we, here it is in the main class they had given before, the subordinate is class is coming back. If we allot time, that is a type 1. So we will select the storybooks for the kids if we allot time for storytelling. Education minister dash your school tomorrow if he goes by this way. If he goes by this way is a subordinate class, so he goes, that is a V1 form, so he will visit. Okay, the education minister will visit our school tomorrow if he goes by this way. Okay, the first thing you have to find out which type it is. According to that we have to supply the verb. Okay, you will be rewarded by the wise if you dash for truth. Okay, next, here will be rewarded they had given. Okay, will be rewarded. So here if you stands for the truth. Okay, next, if my mother know my poor performance in the exam, she will not allow me to watch a movie. So here she will not they had given. If my mother knows Okay, if my mother knows of my poor performance. If I had won the lottery, I donate the relief material for the flood victim. If I had won, so I would have donated the relief material for the flood victim. Okay, here they had given unless, without changing the word, we have to write it. It's very easy. Unless you go for a walk regularly, you cannot reduce your weight. So if you go for the walk regularly, you will reduce the weight. The same thing, you have to change the words which is given there. Okay, this is very easy. Sindhu could not have won the world championship unless she had single-minded devotion. If she have a single-minded devotion, she would have won the world match. So likewise, we have to write. We have to take unless and not, and we have to supply the if verbs there. Okay. Here, the portrait could not have been so natural unless the artist have given his best. If the artist had given his best, the portrait could have been so natural. So likewise, you have to write. We have to take the negative form not, as well as we have to take the negative condition unless. There we have to put if, the subordinate class, and we have to remove the not. Okay. You will not reach your goal unless you chase your dream. If you chase your dream, you will reach your goal. Unless you plant more tree, you could not save our planet. If we plant more tree, we could save our planet. Okay, we can save our planet. Rescue team could not have saved the victim unless they have received the call in the time. If they had received the call in the time, the rescue team could have saved the victims. The palace cannot be kept clean unless we appointed more person. If we appoint more person, the palace could be kept clean. Okay. So this is how we have to write. 3 more is there. That also very easy. Mr. Cunell could not sponsor his highest education unless I studied well. If I studied well, Cunell could have sponsored my higher education. Kevin will not stop flying kite unless he understands the risk involved in it. If he understands the risk involved in it, Kevin will stop flying. Okay, likewise you have to change. The only thing to change the positive into the negative, we have to remove the unless and not, we have to supply the if clause. Wherever it is necessary, we have to bring the subordinate class as the beginning and the main class will be at the end. It does not give the wrong meaning, this meaning will be same. I hope you had understand what is the if clause. So if clause are of the 4, one is the 0 condition, it says something about the universal truth and the scientific fact, and the type 1, it is a possible condition, that is the verb should be in the form of V1 form, then will plus verb V1 only there. The type 2, that is a hypothetical condition, that is a V2 form, verb plus ed, that is a past form, and in the main class we have to write would plus verb in the V1 form. And the third one is an impossible condition, that is a past participle. The verb should be in the form of past participle form, if plus past participle form. Then how the main class will be? Would plus have verb in the past participle condition. This is how you have to, this is the thing you have to remember the condition class. I hope you had understand. Okay, thank you my dear students.